Before seeing Dr. Sorin, I was experiencing awful migraines. I'd seen a lot of different neurologists. I'd seen plastic surgeons. I'd seen pain management physicians. And I'd even gone the non-typical route and seen people like herbalists, massage therapists, and acupuncturists.
Patricia was probably more associated with a musculoskeletal instability and just compression of nerves based on the muscles. And once we started working on calming those nerves down, releasing those nerves, Patricia, we just saw almost a 180-degree turnaround in Patricia.
He asked me a little bit about my headaches, and the first thing he really targeted on, he said, well, do you get nausea? Do you have any kind of sensitivity to light or sound when you get your headaches? And I said, no, I don't have any of that. And he's like, well, you don't have a traditional migraine. You have basically what's a tension headache.
Literally, the first time I ever saw her, it was really a do or die because she really was visiting the emergency department maybe 3 or 4 times a month just to get some sort of transient relief based on her headaches.
He did shots on my head and in my shoulders, and he could even say he saw on his machinery how tense and tight that muscle was. 10 minutes after the treatment, I felt 90% better. And I literally was almost in tears because I'm like, this is the first time I haven't been to the ER, had to, take off a day from work.
Every once in a while, we'll get a patient who has a chronic headache that's been going on for decades. And then other times we'll get patients who may come in here who are not headache sufferers at baseline, but they're primary care physicians or the emergency departments around the area. We'll send them in because they have these intractable headaches that may have started, even anywhere as close to a week or 10 days prior to coming in. So we kind of have a multifaceted approach to it. Some patients we can just try and see if we can find the trigger of the headache, try and shut it off while they're in the office.
So he's totally changed my life in that I feel confident being able to take vacation, being able to get on a plane, being able to go. This last September I just visited my sister in Paris, which was an amazing trip. And she's been over there 5 years. So it was nice to finally be able to do that.